Hello friends, this is Digital Karthik and welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Marketing Mind. So basically this is the first video of our series, and this series will be about the issue or the problems you are getting in affiliate marketing. So I will try to get the answer to that question. So in the last video I actually said that comment the issue or the problem that you are getting in affiliate marketing. It may be anything. It may be from Clickbank or Digistore24, anything. And the first comment was from Navi. He said that to make a video on how to get a sale on every day or other day or on the regular basis. So yes, you can get sale on a regular basis or every day or other day, but there are a lot of certain things that you have to follow to get the sale. So there are basically two types of people in the group. The first is that they don't know the basics of the affiliate marketing, so what it is and how it works. And second is the people who know the affiliate marketing, they are working but they are not getting the sales. And so for those who are new in this affiliate marketing, for those just basics to them, that what is affiliate marketing. So basically affiliate marketing is the process in which we sell the product of the other companies, and if we sell we get the commission from the price that we sell. So how it works is that we get an unique affiliate link from the company, or we can say from the vendor, and we have to just promote in a proper way, in a legal manner, to get the sale. And if we sell the product through affiliate link, we get the earning. So this is what is the basics of affiliate marketing. So basically there are two types of traffic we use in affiliate marketing. The first, not only in affiliate marketing but in digital marketing field. Okay, so first is the paid traffic and second is the free traffic. So almost 7 to 80% people use the free traffic because we don't have to invest money on that. But in a paid traffic we have to invest money. We have to invest in ad set. Okay, so what we do is that we actually promote our product, or we can say links, or we can say the websites or videos on the big platforms. For example, the Google is a search engine, and almost 90% people actually use Google as a search engine. So we can promote our website, or we can promote our videos or links or anything, right? It means what we get in option to promote. So basically there are a lot of options as a goals. So actually what we want to achieve from this ad campaign, so we run ad campaign, and and we have to invest on that ad campaign to get the result. So this is like very hectic in affiliate marketing, because there are a lot of information, or we can say affiliate support we get from the vendor, but we have to test a lot of ads to get the winning ad. So that is very important. To get the winning ad is very important, so that we can capitalize that ad and we can earn from it. But for starting it is very difficult. For example, if you're investing 100 per day or 200 per day, or we can say 500 per day, it's of no use, because there is a huge competition going in affiliate marketing. So there are a lot of people who are actually promoting the same products, so they have targeted that keywords. So for building that keyword we have to invest high, so we can get a less CPC. So what is CPC? Is actually a cost per click we have to pay, and so it is very difficult if you are new in this. So basically 1000 per day, or we can say 2000 per day. If you have budget, you can go for a paid traffic. So I'm trying a lot of things, a lot of variations on ad set to get the result, but till now I have not got any winning ad. So if I got, or we can say if I get the winning ad, I will make an special video on that. So now I will talk on the free traffic, right? So 90% of people in affiliate marketing want they sell from a free traffic because there is no need of investment of money, it's almost free. So how we do, I will tell some tips and some points. Okay, so let's start with this. So basically, where we get the free traffic, we get on a social media platforms. Yes, there are 800 billion people on social media. So we have to target the people who are interested in your niche, or we can say who are interested in your product. And if we target them properly, they will buy from affiliate links. So I will tell you 5 points that are very important, and if you do for 1 month in a proper way, I assure you that you will get the sale. Yes, you will get 100% sale. Just work daily on this. So first point is branding. Branding is very important part in affiliate marketing. Yes, make profile strong with the keywords you get, and just people should get the feeling that yes, this is a real account, not a fake account, because people, when they will see a post with the quality content, they will visit your account. Yes, they will visit your account and they actually judge the account that this is a real account or a fake account. Yes, so be authentic and real with the post, that okay, and what is your niche, focus on that. Don't play with a more post, or we can say more content that is very confusing. Focus on one product and just work daily, and brand yourself as an expert of that product, we can say, or as a coach of that niche. So you should do some kind of research that what kind of people will like this and how to target them. So this is very important. So branding is the first point that you should do. For this you have to make a profile very very strong, very very impressive, very attractive with specific keywords. So my second point that is very important, and you know that is posts. So actually what are the posts, right? So basically posts are certain actually the images in which we upload on Instagram, and we have to add some content in which the audience get impressed or get attracted with the content, means they get engaged with the content, in which we get the high engagement. And if you are getting the high engagement, then you have a high chance of getting the sale. So how to write this content and how to take this post, right? It's a very simple thing. Take the images from Google, then just edit with the alt text, edit with the name, edit with the some editing skills, for example the brightness and all, right? Then you can also crop some part of it. Then what you can do is that very very important part is that to create the own content, rates, how to create the content, how to create the script, that is very important. And how you can do, and how I do, is that I read the books on law of attraction, on manifestation, how to manifest on Wikipedia, or I can say on laptop. You will get a lot of PDFs, right? Free PDFs to get, right? So just read, take time out from your busy schedule and just read some content so that you get the idea. And once you get the idea, you can write your own content and just paste with in the post and just upload it, right? Then people will get this, that yes, this is a very unique content, and they will follow you, they will like your post, they will comment your post. So that is very important part of getting the sale. So posts are very important, and post images must be very HD quality, right? And yes, thank you. I will go to the third point. So my third point is followers. So how followers are important in this game, I would say, how the followers can be increased. So let's talk on this. See, it's a very logical thing, right? If your account and if you don't have any followers, then what it means? It is meaning of that you have a low content, you are not regular enough, right? And you can say no will follow you if you are not regular on Instagram, if you are not uploading daily content, right? So the basic of this is that upload daily content, increase the followers. And how you can do is that, just simple method you can do is that, follow and unfollow method. Yes, follow the people, they will follow you back. For example, if you follow 100 people, out of that 30 people will follow you back, right? So you can do this daily and increase your followers. Second part, you can increase followers by the promotion method, right? You can pay Instagram to get the followers, or to get the clicks, or to get the visit on your profile. So you can go for a paid, but we are mainly focusing on free methods, right? So mainly followers is something that people will get a thinking or meaning is that this is a real account, this is not a fake account. Yes, there are 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers, means he is posting some unique content, very helpful content. So people get the feeling, yes, I will also follow and take advantage of that. So that is what mainly people think, right? So just increase the follower with this. Fourth point is targeting. Yes, how you can target the people, right? Because you will get a lot of people on social media, but which people are interested in your product is very very important, because they will buy a product. So how to target the people? So what you can do is that you can target the people by two ways. First is location wise, and second is the time. As the time zone, you can target the people. So for a location wise, what you can do, see, when you are posting a post, right, when you are uploading a post on Instagram, what you can do is that just add the location. Secondly, you can do is that go to the Instagram search bar. Then you will get a lot of tabs there. Top accounts you will get, then you will get a tab of tags, then you will get a tag of places. Then search the place that you are actually adding location in the post, and follow the people from that country or from that city. That will be very useful for getting the high getting the higher engagement. If you're getting the high engagement, you will get a high chance of getting the sale. So you can do this. Secondly, you can actually study the insights of the Instagram account, that at what time people are active on the Instagram, or we can say on the social media. So post on that time. For example, you can post on every 3 hour in night. For example, if you are posting at 6 p.m, then post at 9 p.m, then post at 12 p.m. Sorry, not 12 p.m, it's a 12 a.m, right? 12 noon we can see, and in 3 a.m. So what I do, I post in night, I don't post in a day, because I follow their time zone. Because of that, I get higher engagement. I get a higher clicks. In a week I get 1,000 plus clicks, and plus not 1,000 plus clicks, but interaction I get 2,000, and clicks I get are actually 200 to 300 of clicks. So just follow. So my last point is webinars. So what are the webinars, right? So basically webinars are like we can say seminar. We invite the people through our invite link, and we have to present them about the benefits, about the products. For example, if I am selling or actually promoting a product, so what I will do is that I will give the whole information about the product, plus I will give the all benefits, how it can be helpful to you. So what you have to do is that just invite your followers to the webinars and present them like an expert, and just be positive with this, because it's a very like a hectic, because in the first people will not come. You have to DM them to come to the free webinar. So once you will do, you will get like practice on that, and within a week or within a month you will get the followers plus the webinars attenders. So that is a very important thing, that webinars we can get a dozen of free sales from the webinars, but the condition is that the presentation must be very very strong and people should like that.